guys, and welcome back to our channel Rescue Digital Media. Today I am here with 3 quick methods on how to fix FineShare FineCam driver not working. But before we get started, like, subscribe and ring the bell icon to notified when our new video lands. Solution 1. Restart your PC. Before we start with the slightly complex solutions, try restarting your PC and check for improvements. Go to Windows Start and tap the power icon. Select Restart option. Solution 2. Check if your OS already has the FineShare FineCam driver. Here's how to check. Right-click this PC and choose Manage from the pop-up window. Then go to Device Manager. Then Imaging Devices. Expand Imaging Devices and check if the FineShare FineCam driver is available. Solution 3. Scan and remove viruses or malware. Here are the detailed steps. Press Windows + S to open the search box and type in Windows Security. In the Windows Security window, click Virus and Threat Protection. In the Current Threat section, click Scan Options. Then select Full Scan and click the Scan Now button. Wait for the completion of the scan. If there are viruses or malware, please remove in time. Solution 4. Update your driver. The next solution you can try is to download the latest driver update. Here's how to do it. Press Windows key +R to open Run command box. Now, type div-mgmp.msc in the text field and hit Enter to open Device Manager. In the Device Manager, right-click the FineShare FineCam driver and select the Update Driver option from the context menu. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will now search for and download any available camera driver update. Solution 5. Reinstall FineShare FineCam driver. Press Windows key +R to open Run command box. Now, type div-mgmp.msc in the text field and hit Enter to open Device Manager. In the Device Manager, expand Imaging Devices. Right-click the FineShare FineCam driver and select the Uninstall option from the context menu. Video Repair Tool. Fix corrupted, jerky, pixelated, grainy, out of sync, truncated, blurry, no sound, black/gray screen, and other video-related issues with Video Repair Tool. Apart from that, it can also repair corruption in video frames, header, and slider movement. The best thing about this program is that it's available on both the OS, Windows and Mac respectively. So, just download and install this video repair on your PC and repair grainy/pixelated video easily. Here is how you can use this tool. Download, install and launch video repair software on your system. Click on Add Files to add corrupted video files. Click on Repair button to begin the repairing process. This start repairing your added video files one by one. You can click on Preview, in order to preview the repaired video file within the software, and click on Save Repaired Files button to save the repaired videos at desired location. Find its download and user guide links in the below description box. Thanks for watching.